Today, with so many choices, finding the right financial services can be difficult, but it really doesn't have to be. With the right questions, you can really tailor your search to your needs. Today's local financial expert will share some interesting tips on what to look for when searching for the right answer for your situation.
Today we're going to be talking about the most common mortgage myths or questions that I see on a daily, if not a weekly basis. Now, in my 16 years experience, I'm seeing clients more confused now than they've ever been. And obviously there's a number of factors that's led to this over the meltdown we've had over the last 7-8 years ago, and how the market's gradually evolved into what it is. But the most common ones I'm seeing now are you must have excellent credit and a large down payment to qualify. This is absolutely not the case. Lenders right now, we've got down to 500 credit scores, and if you got a 500 to a 580 credit score, you need to put 10% down on a purchase. Anything above that, we've got no money down products, all the way up to sky's the limit of what you can put down. So you do not need to have excellent credit or a large down payment to qualify for a loan. Another common myth that I'm seeing is, should I use a bank or should I use a broker? Well, banks typically, they have limited products. You get one shot with them, and they typically have higher rates because of this. If you use a broker, we've got access to multiple outlets. We use a number of wholesale lenders. We have over 40 that we use personally over here. For example, if you're going to get a jumbo loan or a conventional loan or an FHA loan or a VA or an investment property, I'm going to send each one of those products to probably a different investor. And the reason I'm going to do that is each investor has specific criteria that they like, that they want to see. And that because of that, they're going to offer better rates, better fees, and on those specific type products. Another very common one that I see is, do I have to use my builder's preferred lender or my real estate agent's preferred lender? This is absolutely not the case. You do not need to use their preferred lender. Now, usually what I see a lot of is the preferred lenders are charging a much higher rate and higher fees to get this. I did one that I closed earlier this month that was they priced themselves with the preferred lender. They were getting an incentive from the builder of about $3,000 for an upgrade on granite. I was able to get them a 0.25% lower in fees, a 0.25% lower in rate, over $7,800 in fees, and I was still able to negotiate with that builder to get that same incentive. So a much better deal all around for that client. Another one I see a lot of is I get a lot of calls from listing agents on homes that my clients have put offers on. And they're asking if I can get a loan done in 30 days. They're saying that they're seeing most places are telling them they need 45 to 60 days to close a loan. Absolutely not the case. Most of our purchase loans are ready within 21 to 24 days. In some cases, heck, we're ready in 11 days. So you do not need 45 or 60 days. So in closing, you do not need to have excellent credit. You don't need a large down payment. Always use a broker over a banker. If you want, you can shop at the banker and see. I absolutely will tell you to do this. You'll see how much better we are than a typical bank. And you do not need to use the builder's preferred lender. Like I said, we've got over 16 years experience. My team closed over 332 loans last year alone for over $85 million in volume. We know what we're doing. We've been doing this, like I said, over 16 years. Each one of my loan officers has, I'd say, an average experience of about 11 years each, so we all know what we're doing over here. Give me a call at 801-716-5241, and we'd love to help you out.
Pretty interesting, isn't it? With a focused approach, you'll find the right professional in no time. Are you looking for more information? Today's expert can be reached by calling the number on your screen. Thank you for your time.